Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I do house tours every single season, hauls, and so much more. So if you love shopping hauls, house tours, and makeup reviews, and so much more, this is the place to be. So thanks for subscribing if you do. This is my summer house tour for 2022. So this summer, I did a little bit just really casual and cute. There's some pretty flowers here, some candles. These are actually fake. Don't these look real? Like, oh my God. These are so beautiful. These tulips, they look so real. I'm honestly shook by the whole thing. But they're so beautiful for spring and summer. How lovely, right? So I want to show you this. And then we also have some flowers here. It's so pretty. My mom's birthday is today, the day I'm filming this video, and we got her these beautiful flowers. Aren't these flowers, these roses are beautiful. These marigold colored roses. So beautiful. So I wanted to show you this. Okay, the next clip will be upstairs. So you come upstairs and you're greeted by these beautiful gnomes. Aren't these so cute? They're like Uncle Sam gnomes for 4th of July. They're so cute. All these are from Dollar Tree. All these signs I'm gonna show you are from Dollar Tree. And they're in Dollar Tree right now. I got them this year. So you go to your local Dollar Tree and make your house look fabulous for summer. Not sponsored, which I was. Okay, so we have those two. They're actually yardsticks, but they don't work good for the yard. Trust me, like one rain and these are gonna be gone. So if you're gonna buy them, use them for inside the house, not outside. A little tip from me to you. Okay, and then we have these. This sign is so cute. Squeeze of the day. Actually, I already hauled this. This should be out, let's see. I'm gonna put the haul up and then put the house of the day after the haul. So, if you wanna see me hauling these, then I already put the video out probably the day before this video is up, but yes. I'm pre-filming some videos for you guys. Summer is a state of mind. Hello, summer. So pretty with the waterfall. I mean, the watermelon. Waterfall. Look at my new nails for summer. Aren't they pretty? Really pretty. Okay, I did those today too. So like pretty for the nails. Pretty nails for the summer. And then I have for July, USA. So cute. Love that. Let me just show you really, really quickly my room. Just like the one side I have my room. Just really quickly, just this. Welcome to Paradise with a flamingo, and I have one more on the other side. You're gonna see that. Okay. Okay, now let me show you the big, the big shebang. These signs, they're so cute. Welcome to Paradise. Then we have Tiki Time. Sweet Summer Sunshine. Welcome to Paradise. Another Welcome to Paradise. This one is so cute. Sweet Summertime with the watermelon. It's adorable. This is my happy place, which it really is, with these beautiful signs. Welcome to Paradise. These flamingos are so pretty. Nothing to the summer more than beaches and flamingos. They're so pretty. Time to relax. Island time. Life is better in the summer. Yes. So these are all the signs you saw in my Dollar Tree hauls. The one I just posted and the one I posted last month. Okay, and then really quickly, I have some signs here. We have Relax, Aloha. We have the Paradise Tiki Bar, Sunshine. Hello Summer, and Seaside Surf and Sand Beach Party. So yeah, this is all the decorations I have this summer. Nothing too crazy, you know, I don't do too crazy except for the fall, Halloween, and Christmas. That's when we go ham. But I asked you guys if you want to see like how everything looked, you know, and you guys said you wanted to see the signs this summer. I said, okay, I'll do a summer tour for you guys. Because these signs are so cute. They did a good job this year with these signs. Okay, that's everything. Thanks for watching my house tour for summer 2022. If you enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for subscribing if you do. Until next time, happy summer. Bye, guys.